So as this 767 out of Salt Lake City comes in for landing, we have a Boeing 737 Southwest flight heading to Denver, Colorado. At the end of 17 right here, getting ready for takeoff.